Fix, it seems that another app is blocking access to Google Play. Welcome everybody. It seems that another app is blocking access to Google Play. Turn off any apps that might be drawing over the screen and try again. Many Android users facing a strange issue while using Google Play to install apps or using Google Play to make a payment. It throws an error saying, looks like another app is blocking access to Google Play. Turn off any apps that might be drawing over the screen and try again. Now if you're facing any such issues with the Google Play Store or Google Pay app on your Android phone, then this is the video in which I will show you how to fix. Looks like another app is blocking access to Google Play. We'll start off by resetting our Google Play Store to a default and uninstalling updates. Go to your settings. In here you want to go to apps, and in apps you want to search for Play Store. Now Google Play Store app info, click on that, and in here you want to click the three dots in the top right, then hit uninstall updates. Once you're done with that, you can go back, and that's the first solution. If that's not working, then you can go to apps again and scroll down till you see special app access, and in here it says display over other apps at the top. Now click that. What you now want to do is, as you can see, Android Auto, for example, is allowed, or digital well-being. So click digital well-being and then allow display over other apps. So you want to disable this one. If you want, you can disable any or pretty much all the apps that have this enable, and that's the second option that could fix your problem. The third option would be to go back to your settings. There you go, and search for accessibility. As you can see at the top, accessibility, system accessibility. You want to click that, and in here, as you can see, the AVG antivirus has it on. You can disable this, and the app stops running and has no more accessibilities, and that way you fix the it seems that another app is blocking access to Google Play Store problem. If this video helped you out in fixing your problem, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.